Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create highlight effect for text in the CapCut Mobile. So here, what you need to do is just add your videos and then add your text like this. And then add the highlight asset as overlay. So I got this from Canva. I got this highlight asset from Canva. You can also find it on maybe Canva or other social platform. And here adjust the duration to be the same as the text. Okay, now adjust the position and the size. I'm going to go here, and after that, at the beginning of the highlight, go to mask and then choose the horizontal, then rotate it diagonally vertically like this to -90 degrees. Okay, now add a keyframe and move the masking to the left like this, then move forward by 1 second. Okay, here I'm going to go with here, and then move the masking to the right to have a ripple effect like this. Now you are done, go back, and this is the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.